Good afternoon, guys. This is Engineer Peter of the PIP Magnet FX. Well, I'm just trying to show us what is going on right away. There's an alternative to Deriv, and this particular broker is a new broker. They've been around for over 8 years. As I speak with you, these guys are really doing well. If you've lost money in trading Deriv, okay, this is an alternative to recover all. I mean, these guys are something else. I've been on testing for the past 3 months. I decided to make this video today. Guys, I'm using a particular strategy to trade this. And if you want to get this strategy for free, go ahead and sign up with my link below the description box on this video. Go ahead, just send me the proof that you've registered. Try your best to fund, because I'm going to add you to my free VIP group, my free VIP group. I'm telling you, we'll all be making money together. This system is new. There's no form of manipulations. You and I know that Deriv has been manipulating the market for over the years. So everybody has been fighting hard to break even. Imagine you funding an account today. The next hours, your account is gone. Let's try Weltrade. This particular broker is doing perfectly well. Just imagine, I have made over $74 in 5 minutes. Guys, this is not a joke. Let's go ahead, sign up with the link, even subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be posting great videos on pain and gain. Just like boom and crash in Deriv, but this one is pain and gain. The gain is the boom, while the pain is the crash. So guys, this broker is massive. Funding is very easy. Just go ahead, create an account with the link in the description box, join my Telegram group, join my WhatsApp group. You'll be getting full information, steady signals on this particular trade. And I'm going to mentor those that are going to sign up with the link, because I'm going to take you guys by the hand and make sure we all profit this new year. This is a new month, so we don't have any excuse not to. At least at minimum of $10, you fund your account. I'm going to show you guys even how to slash your lot sizes, so that you can actually partake in making massive gains. Imagine you making 20 to 50 US dollars every single day trading with this Weltrade Synthetic indices. These guys are massive. They are going to be a competitor to Deriv, because Deriv has monopolized the market for years. But thank God for Weltrade Synthetic indices. Guys, join any of my group you're seeing in the description box below, because you're going to get more benefits in joining this. Okay, so see you in the description link. Sign up and let me know. DM me. I think we're going to move together. Okay, thank you guys.